Volleyball Association President, Dr. Malsoma and his team, my friend Mauka, brothers and sisters. First, a big salute to you, to Mizoram, because you are first in every field, in games, sports, and in literacy also. You are in first in India. Big salute to you. Because everywhere your name is mentioned. Mizoram. When this literacy come, Mizoram. Athletics, Mizoram. Games, Mizoram. Volleyball, Mizoram. That is why I salute you. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji love you. That is why he is spending money to develop Mizoram. Your highways, your railways, everywhere development is here because you are developing, you are encouraging the nation. That is why you are supported by the central government and Narendra Modi ji. I pray for this game. I am a Christian. That is why I pray to Jesus Christ for this all players. Let them grow to national level and to Olympics. With these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.